Looking for a pair of wireless earbuds that deliver premium sound, powerful noise cancellation, and cutting-edge features? Then you need to check out the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro. In this video, I'll break down everything about these earbuds, from their impressive active noise cancellation to studio-level sound quality, so you can decide if they're right for you. And if this video helps you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. First, let's talk about the packaging and accessories. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds, a compact charging case, a USB-C cable, and 6 different sizes of ear tips. This ensures you get a perfect fit, which is essential for maximizing the active noise cancellation on these earbuds. The design is super modern with a glossy black finish that really stands out. Plus, they're IPX5 rated, meaning you can use them during workouts or even in light rain without any worries. But let's get to what really matters. Active noise cancellation, ANC. The Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro is equipped with an incredible 7 sensors. 6 of them capture external sounds, and 1 barometric sensor adjusts the ANC based on air pressure. This means they can reduce noise by up to 3 times more than previous models, especially on planes or crowded trains. Plus, the adaptive algorithm adjusts the noise cancellation every 0.3 seconds, ensuring you always have absolute silence, no matter the environment. Now let's talk about sound quality. These earbuds feature ACAA technology, with a dynamic driver of 10.5 mm for deep bass and a titanium-coated tweeter for crystal-clear highs. The result? A balanced, detailed sound rich in nuances. Whether you're listening to your favorite songs or watching movies, the experience is immersive. And if you're into spatial audio, the Liberty 4 Pro offers 360-degree spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. Perfect for anyone who wants a cinematic experience at home. Another standout feature is call quality. With 6 microphones and advanced noise reduction algorithms, your voice stays crystal clear even in noisy places. Plus, the Easy Chat feature lets you talk face-to-face without having to take the earbuds off. Connectivity is also excellent. With Bluetooth 5.3, you can seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop, thanks to multi-point support. And Fast Pair makes automatic connection a breeze with nearby devices. What about battery life? The Liberty 4 Pro impresses here too. With just 5 minutes of charging, you get up to 4 hours of playback. In total, they offer up to 40 hours of battery life with the charging case, which is ideal for long trips or weeks of use without worrying about recharging. And it's worth mentioning that the case is compact and easy to carry, fitting easily into your pocket. So, is the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro worth buying? In my opinion, yes. If you value powerful noise cancellation, high-fidelity sound, and innovative features, these earbuds are a great choice. Sure, they're not perfect. Some might find the touch controls a bit sensitive, but that's a small detail compared to all the advantages. If this video helped you understand the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro better, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more reviews like this, hit that subscribe button. Oh, and the link to buy them is in the description below if you decide to invest in these incredible earbuds.